Hey, my foodie friends! Today, we're diving into one of the masterpieces of the salad world, Caesar salad. I honestly love this salad, and I'm sure you do too. But before we start, let me tell you a quick and fun little story about its history. Do you know this guy? Maybe you've never even heard of him. His name was Caesar Cardini. He was born in Italy in 1896, and in the early 20th century, he moved to the U.S. as an Italian chef and restaurateur. He worked in California for a while, but because of the strict laws there, he opened his own restaurant in Tijuana, Mexico. Why Mexico? Because the rules were more relaxed, and Americans loved going there for weekend fun. Now you see why some people call this salad Italian, and some call it American. In 1924, on U.S. Independence Day, Cardini's restaurant was packed, and he didn't have enough ingredients to serve everyone. So, using what he had on hand, lettuce, bread, eggs, olive oil, Parmesan, lemon, garlic, he whipped up a quick and simple salad. Guess what? The customers loved it, and that's how the legendary Caesar salad was born. Later, Cardini moved back to the U.S. and kept running restaurants. He even started his own brand called Cardini's, famous for its Caesar dressing. You can still find it in stores today. Caesar Cardini is one of those rare chefs whose name is forever tied to a worldwide dish. Today, you can find Caesar salad everywhere, from fancy restaurants to fast food chains. He basically turned a simple last-minute dish into a global brand. Thank you, Mr. Cardini. Okay, let's get to our own recipe. Ingredients: lettuce, the star of the show. Crisp, fresh, and without it, Caesar salad is like pizza without cheese. No way. Lettuce is packed with fiber, vitamins A, K, and C, plus minerals. Wash it really well, let it dry completely, and use the lighter leaves. The darker ones don't work as well here. Tear them into bigger chunks. Fun fact, Cardini himself never chopped the lettuce. You were supposed to eat it with your hands. Chicken breast, croutons, Parmesan cheese, the king of flavor. Parmesan is that friend who shows up and makes everyone go, wow, what a smell. And olive, Caesar dressing, the magic potion. Mayonnaise, lemon, garlic, mustard, olive oil, salt, and black pepper, and a touch of love. If you bought it ready-made, that's fine, but hey, it's missing the love part. Step 1, cooking the chicken. Rub the chicken with salt, pepper, and a little olive oil. Yep, you heard me right. Give it a massage. After a long day, your chicken deserves some relaxation too. Then cook it on a pan or grill. Keep the heat high. This way the outside seals fast, so the chicken doesn't soak up too much oil and stays juicy inside. Step 2. Making the croutons. Cut your bread into cubes, toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper, mix well, then spread them on a tray and pop them in the oven till golden and crunchy. Careful, they need just a little time. If you forget them, like I sometimes do, they'll burn and you'll have to start over. Step 3, the Caesar dressing. Here comes the magic. Mix all the ingredients like you're putting on a rock concert. Every instrument joins in and boom, you get one amazing song of flavor. Start with mayo, add mustard, salt, pepper, fresh lemon juice, and a crushed garlic clove. Don't overdo the garlic unless you want to cancel every date and job interview for the next 3 days. Mix everything, then slowly whisk in olive oil, about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Adjust thickness by adding more oil if needed. Taste and tweak until it's perfect. Step 4, the final mix. Toss your crisp lettuce into a big bowl. Add the croutons and that grilled chicken. I usually save a few chicken strips to lay beautifully on top. Important. Add the croutons and dressing right before serving, or else the bread loses its crunch and gets soggy. If you've got black olives, throw some in for extra color. I didn't have any this time. Finally, sprinkle Parmesan on top like winter snow, except this snow makes you warm and happy inside. And there we go. Our Caesar salad is ready. Crunchy lettuce, golden croutons, juicy chicken, and the smell of Parmesan. Oh, yes, that's the moment you'll say, "Why didn't I make this sooner?" Don't forget to try it out and let me know in the comments what you think. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my next delicious recipes. See you in the next video.